Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing these cute little bows on Instagram. They're made out of pom-poms and tools, and I had these paper clips that I scored at Tuesday morning. So I'm going to show you what I did, and I absolutely love this project. So let's get started. To begin this project, you will cut a rectangle. It is 6 inches wide and 4 3/4 in height. So in this step, you're going to place the pom-poms on the tool towards the center of the tool, and then you're going to try to get them close together but not too much. And once you've put them, you're going to just fold over one top and then fold over the other top. And then you're going to fold over each side. The center of the bow is a foam glitter sheet. I'm using 2 millimeters. In this step, I'm adding some hot glue in the center of the bow just because I want it to just stick together while I'm assembling the bow. Now, in case you notice, I have a strip of a foam sheet right below it just because I didn't want to get burned. So be very careful doing this step because hot glue and then tool, it's pretty thin, so just be very careful. Now, before the hot glue completely dried up, I kind of just scrunched it a little bit, and now you see it on screen. So now I'm going to add the foam glitter strip with hot glue. And my last step will be to add the paper clip. And this project is done. So you can create these for yourself and use them as bookmarks. Also, if you're a Fufusha doll maker, create bows for your dolls, as well as for your paper crafts too. There's so many ideas to work with these beautiful little bows. Well, thank you for spending your time with me. Don't forget to give this video a big like, comment below, tell me what you think. And until next time, God bless. Bye-bye.